Okay, what happens when a customer then needs to be moved into our lost column over here? There's always maybe a bit of shame around that, and we know that we still want to actually keep in contact with this customer, but we want to automate that. We know that if we then change the status over here to abandoned, there we go, we're going to just do that, and we're going to update this just so that we keep our dashboard honest. And what we're going to do now is we're going to move Sarah over to our lost column. There we go. All right. So what can we do to automate keeping in contact with Sarah? Well, that's really simple. So I have a bunch of automations that happen over here. We've possibly gone through all of these automations, but what we want to look at is our monthly nurture automation. And here we can see that we've got our initial month assignment. So this is some emails that would then go out. There is 3 or 4 emails over here, and you can decide how many you would like. But I've got this set up. And then, of course, we go into our January, February, March automation. We have this automation set up where we can send Sarah into this automation. And we can see here that it's now checking, first of all, which month we are in. And then we want to send her emails for every single month of the year. And we've got this automation set up that we have all 12 months of the year set up. And then in each one of these months, we actually have an email that goes out almost every week as well. So in my experience, I've seen that most emails actually get across board, all niches. Most emails actually get opened up on a Friday. My experience is anywhere between 10 and about 3 o'clock. Let's have a look and see what January looks like. Okay, so as Sarah then joins this automation over here, first thing it's going to check, are we in year 1 or year 2? And then if it is year 1 or year 2, then we go into the email. Year 1, email 1 for January. Wait 21 days before, then we've got email 2. We can then set up SMSs, so we can SMS our customer. We can set up WhatsApp so that we can WhatsApp our customer as well. We've got multiple channels of making contact with this customer. Then we've got email 3 and email 4 for the month. Okay, so we actually have 2 years of emails that we can send out, SMSs that we can send out, and WhatsApp that we can send out, just to make sure that we are in contact with Sarah so that she is constantly reminded we are in front of her in her email, in her SMS, and in her WhatsApp, so that one day when she does decide that she's ready to purchase, then she can purchase. Of course, all of this does come with the option to opt out. That is legal, and yeah, we can set this up for you. All right, so there's no shame involved in keeping in contact with all of the customers.